PV. And finally, we have a suggestion for that person on your Valentine's Day list who has absolutely nothing, as in no girlfriend. For $19, the Brazilian website namorafake.com will post an ex-girlfriend to your Facebook page, while $40 buys you a current virtual girlfriend with 7 days of posts, so none of your friends realize how desperate you are. Big spenders can drop $100 for a full month of posts from your fake girlfriend.
How dare you use that story?
But what about the girls? Sorry, ladies, this is only for guys. There are apparently not enough dateless women to make fake boyfriends worth their while. However, as a public service, I want to tell all the lady geeks watching this, if you need a virtual boyfriend, I'm your man. I'm John P.
John P., you're married!
And the P stands for Platinum Card. Feel free to stalk me on Twitter or Google+. See you later. OMG, Valentine's Day's almost here. What's a geek to do? Relax. I'm John P. Geek Pete rides to the rescue.